And then Minister Lindiwe Zulu decided that, you know what, I'm going to take this outside. So this is what happened outside Pali. She says we're sick and tired of being sworn at. And she wants to grab her.
Come on now, you friggin' peanuts.
He's the one who's allowed to lose patiently, so he's stopping the fight. In case he catches a punch. It might help. And that is what happened in your parliament last night. Brand new tunes on
Can't
Friday.
just put your flick on and go. It's got to be safe, you pork chop. We're going past the harvest. Do you want to do some commentary? Take this hard on shot there of that arm and everything. Look how big are these guys. Look at that. Woohoo!